It came in. Keyboardia Model 100. Check out this baby here. Actual wood grain. An actual any key. And listen to this. Clicky. I bought this keyboard on Kickstarter back in July of 2021. And I've been waiting for it ever since. Because of all the international shipping issues that are still going on right now, it took a while to get these keyboards back. And then for some reason, American Customs decided to hold 800 of the keyboards to inspect them. And mine turned out to be one of the 800. So that delayed getting these keyboards for at least another month and a half. But then I got a notification this morning that the keyboard was going to be delivered today, which was strange because I hadn't even seen a notification they'd been released from customs. But now I have it, and it's going to take me a little while to get used to it because although I use a lot of ergonomic keyboards, getting this perfectly adjusted to the way I like to use it is going to take a little bit of time. But I love this keyboard because it has clicky keys, which anybody who's bought a lot of ergonomic keyboards knows that it's very difficult to find one with clicky mechanical keys. You can either get the clicky keys or it's ergonomic. And this is one of the very few keyboards available that have both. I realize I'm getting excited about clicky keys, but they're clicky keys. I can't help it. I love to type on a keyboard with clicky keys. And now I can. Okay, maybe I get a little bit too excited over clicky keys. But I think really everybody should have something like this in their life. I mean, something they really enjoy irrationally. Something that drives other people crazy. Something that you just can't possibly explain to someone else. And if you try, you're going to look like you're insane. So whatever it is for you, go out and find your clicky keys.